It's raining again. You can see all the bubbles on the pool. The pool is filthy because it's been storming. Keeps thundering. I wanted to get a big thunder in a video before I have to get out. But I don't know if that's going to happen. Here comes my little bratty girl. She's actually not that bratty. She's pretty darn cute. Trixie, where you going? She used to be so afraid of all these statues. She would go running away, act like they were going to come and get her. I don't know what she's looking at. Something up there. Oh! What's a squirrel? She was going to get a squirrel. Rain's starting to come down. You can see all the bubbles on the pool from the rain. Can't even see it in the video, but it is raining. And it's not as light as it looks out here. Trixie wants to kill a squirrel. Trixie! Trixie! What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you gonna kill a squirrel? You're gonna kill a squirrel. Like, let me get it, please. Let me get it. Back to the wasps. So I've been protecting these poor wasps from everyone wanting to spray them. You can see the little hole in his arm. Wasps have been coming around our door as we're going in and out. So they're not looking as cute as they were. Okay, I guess it's not going to lightning anymore. It's raining too hard. I'm going to have to go in. That's all for now.